So the last one stayed for 4 hours?
How many hours?
The one before that stayed 30 minutes. Now this one stayed 4.5 hours.
But now I know how to drink it.
Okay,
I
very
know how
good.
to consume it.
Let's see if you do.
I hope.
Do it
If you
without any
hold this
direction.
with your other hand, I can hold it for you, but it's more control. Okay, so suction, swallow, back to back. Yeah, you're doing right now.
Yeah.
This time is correct. See? Until you feel, okay, that's good.
Get it? It's gonna fall.
Can you give me more water?
And the hiccups just started too. I didn't have them for a while.
What was the reason of this admission this time? Your lung?
He's got stage 4 lung cancer, and for the 4th time in 2 years, he developed fluid in his lungs.
So this is this reason this time is fluid?
Fluid in his lungs.
The 4th time.
Yeah.
So they want to leave this hose
I know.
in my side, but I refused. But I can't fight with the doctors.
I know.
I have to comply.
I think he's good.